guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to repair or attempt to repair this Rexel LV250 HS laminator, which my other half decided she wanted to jam it with paper and laminate in pouches. So we'll take the back off and see what's jamming it up. AC 230 volts, 50 hertz, 2.5 amps this one. Right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws I think holding it down, so I'll be as quick as I can getting those out. It's been broke a few months, this particular one. It's been in the cupboard for a long time. I thought, get out today and repair it, why not? Without throwing down the screwdriver would be a good idea. Some of these screws are quite deep. There's recessed little tubes there where the screws are. It's not a problem. Right, I think they're all loose. See if it comes apart. There we go. Watch I don't lose these screws, I'll keep them to one side. 1, 2, 5. I found 5 of them. I think the other 2 are still stuck inside. Right, let's have a look. There's a top plate on here with 2 screws. So if I take these out, we should be able to see a little bit more. Right, that's the top plate. Right. Can we see any paper? Not at the moment. Not the easiest things to get into. No sign of any laminating paper. That's not good. Right, I'm just going to plug this thing in. I'll see if it turns and shows up any paper. Switch it on. The cogs are going round, as you can see. It's making some crunching noises. I can hear the paper being chewed, but I can't see it. There is a lever on these models. You press this lever down here and you're able to freewheel the wheels, so you can try and unblock it yourself. But you still need to be able to get to the paper, which I can't do at the moment. I can hear it. Smells like it's warming up. No, I can hear it, but I can't see it. I may need to strip it down a little bit further. So I'll turn you off and I'll be back to you in a moment. Okay folks, I'm back now. I've had a little play around with it, took some metal pieces off, metal guides and what have you. I've managed to get to see the offending laminating pouch. I've had to slice it with a Stanley knife to loosen it up. If I plug it in now, you'll see it going round, and it's started to catch on the metal. So I'm going to plug it back out. I'm going to use this lever here, which frees up the gearbox, and hopefully I'll try and pull out this laminating paper by hand, a bit at a time. Problem is it's all glued and stuck together, so it's quite difficult to get it out. I have to watch the heat element as well, because it's quite hot. I've had it running and that element's quite hot. I'll try not to touch it. We're making a bit of leeway. I may be able to switch it on and pull it out as we go, see if that's going to make any difference. There we are, starting to move. Alright, I'll switch it off again now. I will use this lever to free up the gearbox. Let's see if I can pull it out by hand. Well, we got some of it out. It goes very brittle and tough when it's been around the rollers a few times. I don't know if that's the only piece. There don't seem to be much there. Should be A4 size really. We'll switch it back on, see what it does. I can't hear anything binding now. I'm going to put a piece of ordinary dry paper through and see if it'll work. Doesn't seem to want to go through at the moment. Something's not right. This is the exit part, so this is the entry part over there. It may be because I haven't got the rollers on. Oh, there we go. It's started to go through now. think we may have fixed it for the while. Bear with me. Okay, I'm back. I've been looking at the situation. I've managed to get the bit of paper out, the laminating sheet. So it seems to be running okay. I put a piece of blank paper through, that went through okay. So I just need to put it all back together. I'll plug it out and we'll get a proper test. I want to take off a few of these parts. This one came out of here. I sort of had to manhandle it through there really to get it to come out. There we are, that's that one back in. There's one over this side. And the heating element has to go back over the roller. It's very hot at the moment, so can't use that. I get incredibly hot for a small machine. Okay, so now we put that one back over here. Takes a bit of brute force and ignorance to get in there. There, that's the pot's back in. Right, I have to take out 2 screws from the sides of the there's one over here which I need to tighten back up. It's still there, just needs tightening up. Need to get this into position, it's not quite into position. Just needs a bit of coaxing, I think. Been fouled by this plate that I put in earlier. There we are. I think that's popped itself back into position. That's a screw there. That's one in place. One down there. Not the easiest things to get to. That one's in there. That's 2 over this side. Well, you can see them. Just above the cogwheel there, there's 2. Just need to get those back in. one in, and one more to go down there. There's a bit of a spring gets in the way, pressure spring, but you can just about get it in with a bit of persuasion. There we go, that one's in now. Now the other thing I had to do, I had to take out 2 screws from below. I don't think I needed to, but I'll put them back in there. There's one there and one there. Basically hold this frame in. The frame there, one on the other side. But I didn't need to get them out, I just sort of pulled the plates up and they sprang out and I pushed them back into place, so it's not a problem. So I'll get these 2 screws back in here. One in that side and one in this side. There we go. Now hopefully I'll put this cover back on. Held on by 2 screws. One here. And one over here. Okay, that's it. All you need to do now is put the top back on and see what happens. Make sure this cable grip is back in the slot there. What I'll do before I put the lid on, I'll just plug it in to make sure nothing's catching or doing something it shouldn't be doing. The cogs are going round, as you can see there. And there's no strange noises coming from it, so I don't think there's any more paper jammed or laminating pouches. Okay, so we'll plug it back out and put the top on. Snap back together quite nicely, no gaps. Right, we should have 7 screws left. 1, 2, 3, 4 long ones and 3 short ones. So the short ones go in there, there and there. And the 4 long ones go in the deep holes which are over here. Put the short ones back in first. Now the 4 long ones. Two left. And the final screw before we give it a test. I've got no laminating pouches here with me, but I've got paper, so as long as the paper goes through, I'm fairly confident it'll be no problem, because the heat element's hot and the rollers are going around, so it shouldn't be an issue. Oh, there we are. We'll plug it back in. Switch it on there. We won't bother waiting for the green light to come on, because we just want to test the rollers really, but there's a green light there which comes on the smiley face when it's warm enough. That's just a power light, the red one, so we're not going to worry about that. There's a setting there, depending on how hot you want it to get, different sizes and thicknesses of paper. So we'll put this bit of paper through now and see if it comes out the other side. There it comes. I think we can call that a success and saved a few more pounds. Don't have to buy a new one. A little bit of time and effort, you can repair most things and save yourself a fortune. There you go, fixed. It's gone all the way through, no problems. We've got our old piece of lamination out there. There you go, all the green lights come on as well now to say the temperature's up to what it should be. So if I needed to laminate anything I could. Okay, thanks for watching, see you next time.